And today, Construction Week Middle East brings you to Casa Milano's showroom. And with me today is Azhar Sajan, the director of Casa Milano, as well as Paul Hegarty, the director of expert sales at VADO. Thank you for welcoming me, gentlemen, in this beautiful showroom. How are you doing today?
Fantastic.
Great, thank you.
Great. So what is keeping Casa Milano busy?
Well, it's a new year. You know, we have just got into 2023 and everybody is really motivated for the year. We just opened our third store in Sharjah. It's a very small store, 300 square meters, specifically for sanitary and tiles. And we've got something coming up for the wardrobe section as well. So, you know, in the last few years, we have diversified our portfolio into sanitary ware, from tiles to kitchens to wardrobes, parquet. And, you know, we're going to keep growing that way.
Great. And what about you, Paul? Are there any thoughts about this collaboration and partnership that VADO is having with Casa Milano at the moment?
Yeah, it's the Middle East is an interesting region for us, and it's where we're going to see some real growth. And I think we've partnered up with the perfect person, be it Casa Milano. You know, they've got 3 outstanding showrooms. New one's just opened in Sharjah. We've got one in Abu Dhabi and the heart of the one in Dubai.
Great.
And exciting times coming ahead.
And if gentlemen can just talk about maybe the product launches that you guys will be collaborating on.
Yeah, so we've just launched a new range called Arondi, which is done with Conran and Partners, who are a worldwide architectural company. So we're going to be promoting that and having that on display in the showroom. And there's also lots of different colours and textures in the individual range that will complement everything that Casa Milano has to offer.
Great, and what are your thoughts on it?
I think it's fantastic. The second I heard that, you know, we were able to work with VADO and we can start this partnership, I immediately, like I said, yes. Like I actually screamed it out loud. I was like, because I've heard about VADO for so many years, that it's a brand that it's you know, very well known in the market in the Middle East and all over the world. And, you know, we wanted, you know, this British touch to it. And, you know, the ranges that VADO provides in the showers and the faucets and the different colors. It's important that, you know, we add this in the portfolio of Casa Milano, and I'm very excited to see how we can do well in the retail section and in the B2B side of it.
It's definitely a very powerful collaboration. Now, both of you mentioned colors. Can I ask you just about the materials, maybe which ones you're using in your latest products?
Yeah, so colours is sometimes something that comes and then disappears quite quickly.
Just like with fashion, right?
Yeah, and
exactly.
we've seen a huge sort of switch globally in colours being introduced into everyone's bathrooms. You know, you look at fixtures and fittings, in lights, in sockets, in even door handles. Everyone's wanting that designer touch.
And does it differ from region to region?
There's some strong colours that are more favourable. We're finding that the brush golds, the blacks and the bronzers are the sort of the hot colours of the moment, and I think that trend's here to stay.
Adding on to what Paul was saying regarding the colors, you know, back in the day it was only chrome, because that was the only available option at the moment in the world in terms of fashion, which you're just saying. We want to switch up something every time. We want something new because we are able to ask for it. So right now you could say black is the most, you know, trending color at the moment. For this local market, I would say in the Middle East, gold is a very big, you know, big color for the local people. It could be brushed gold, it could be shiny gold, it could be different ranges of gold. And now I think we're also getting to the fact of stainless steel. A lot of people are going into that. So again, it changes back and forth. Sometimes a retro design comes back into play. Sometimes a modern design comes back into play. So it really depends on what the world is asking for. And regarding if it changes in different markets, there are some colors I would think that are just here to stay. And then some people are a bit more eccentric and they'd go for something out there.
Definitely, and thank you for that. Now, going into the whole sustainability discussion, which is quite important in the region, could you please tell us, Paul, how are you addressing the current global water wastage issue?
Yeah, so water saving is a huge topic. Here in the Middle East, it's starting to become more relevant. So you get in on projects, they're wanting green buildings. So we have a product which is called H2O Eco. So you can install it in all of our products and reduce the flow. So just to give you an example, a basin tap on average would deliver roughly 25 litres of water per minute. And now we can tailor that flow for any requirement. You can go as low as 1.3 litres per minute. Great. So if you require 4 litres, we just add something in and you can tailor. And we're also, when we're talking about green, we're taking all the plastic out of the packaging. So
wow.
the carbon footprint's going to be lower.
Okay. That's
And
great
we're
to hear.
also just introducing electric cars for the entire fleet globally. So everyone's cars going to be electric to obviously
It's
help us
great
on
to
that
hear
carbon
that you're
footprint.
supporting, climate change, sustainability, and all the main concepts that we all
Very
talk
important,
about now.
definitely.
Now, my final question for you would be talking about, the outlook of the company. What can we expect from Casa Milano in 2023 and the near
There's a lot
future?
of exciting things, that we are planning. I wish I could reveal everything today. I really would, but no. In the next few months, a lot of people will see on our social medias and what we're doing in our stores as well. We're having some pop-up events. We're going to be introducing new ranges, new collections, new partnerships, and hopefully leading a really good end of the year. That's the plan for 2023. We go bang, bang, bang. Hopefully have a new store as well. Who
Great.
knows? Maybe not in this region, maybe another.
We'll keep that noted. What
Yeah.
about you, Paul?
Yeah, we're looking forward to 2023. It's a new partnership, but we're looking to fill that void that we had. And I think with Casa Milano and the absolute vast ranges that they have, we can really strengthen that partnership together on retail, on projects, and let's try and make Casa Milano the #1 customer for VADO globally.
All right. Thank you so much for today, gentlemen, and hope to see you again soon.
Thank you.
Thank you very
Appreciate
much. Best of
this.
luck.
Thank you.
And that was it for today's video. Make sure to like and comment your thoughts, as well as follow Construction Week Middle East for more construction content. With you was Mina Vucic, B2B multimedia producer. See you next time.